Good morning, class! Are we going outside?
Yeah, it's so nice outside.
Yes, class. UV rays come from the sun and they can burn your skin. Too much UV ray exposure can cause skin cancer.
I don't want cancer. How can I stop my skin
You should
from
always
burning?
protect yourself from the sun by using sunblock or sunscreen. Does anyone know the difference between the two?
I do. Okay. Sunscreen absorbs the ultraviolet rays and sunblock reflects them so you don't get UV rays.
Good job!
Miss Frizzle, how did people in the olden days protect themselves from the sun?
Well, sunscreen has been dated back since the
Starting with
Egyptians.
the Egyptians, people have been making discoveries about sunscreen. Let's go on a field trip to learn how.
Yay!
I knew I should have stayed home today.
Field trip! Yay! Field trip! Field trip!
I don't know why I'm here.
Magic school bus!
Yay!
The Egyptians were the first ones to protect their skin. They used rice bran extracts on their skin to keep the UV rays out. Scientists mimic the Egyptians by using gamma oryzanol, which is extracted from rice bran. They also used jasmine to mend skin damage and lupine extract to lighten the skin. Scientists still use lupine for the same purpose.
Eugene Schuler is credited with creating modern sunscreen. Although he wasn't the first chemist to experiment with sunscreen, he was the first one who made a successful cream. He later went on to create the company L'Oreal. But so many people say Franz Grider was the first to create sunscreen while mountain climbing at Piz Buin.
Benjamin Green, who lived in Miami, Florida, he made a red jelly that he gave to World War II. And after that, he was able to conduct more research and create more sunscreen.
Alright, class, we're here. Let's get off the bus. Yay!
I have known that there's so much to learn about sunscreen.
Wow, that's not even half of it, kids.
There's more?
Like what?
Well, didn't they say that it had gamma oriz or something like that?
No one knows what's in it?
I read an article at the doctor the other day about its
Well, let's hear it.
Just keep going. Unlike the earliest forms of sunscreen that contain mainly PABA, modern sunscreens have a multitude of ingredients to help block the sun's rays. Many PABAs cause skin irritation and have been taken out of sunscreens. Ingredients called cinnamides, salicylates, and aranolites are very good at blocking UVB rays.
Cinnamate sound like cinnamon.
Actually, those with cinnamon allergies should stay away with things with cinnamite.
Can we just use cinnamon as sunscreen?
Haha, no we can't use cinnamon. Sunscreen also includes benzophenes like oxybenzone. Chemicals absorb the UVA lights before they affect your skin.
Is that it, Mr. Frizzle?
Nope, I haven't even gotten to the two most important ingredients. Zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are the most common ingredients in sunblock because they are less likely to cause allergic reactions. However, they can leave an oily residue.
Wow, all this talk about cinnamon is making me hungry. Can we go eat lunch now?
Of course, but don't forget your sunscreen!
Modern sunscreens have a multitude of sun.
Well, sunscreen has been dated back since the Egyptians, and